Hey folks, welcome to Cooking and Crafting with Michelle. Today's going to be a busy day for me. My kids finally got my new to me bookshelf in my crafting area. So I have to wipe it down and organize today, and I'll show you bits and pieces along the way. This is the shameful mess my craft room is in right now. I'm hoping by the time I'm finished, it won't look like this anymore, and everything will have a place. My boys say they're not going to put anything on here because it's dirty. It probably came from somebody's garage. But because I'm only putting craft stuff on it, I'm gonna clean it up and use it anyway. It was free, what can I say? Hey folks, did you guys know that the Swiffer mop is good for more than just washing floors? Yeah, I'm gonna use it to reach the part of my bookshelf that I'm too short to reach. All I did was shorten the handle, and it will help me reach up top while I'm sitting at what would have been our door if we used it. And it's covered in my craft supplies. There's papers and stuff I couldn't get at before because everything is in a different room. I'm going to sort through this stuff. I have magazine holders that I bought that I'm going to put my cardstock in, but I'm not going to do that till my shelving is put together. But I am going to start sorting. Well, I got most of that stuff sorted. I just have nowhere to put anything right now. So I'm going to fill the holes that I can fill on a shelf and wash down the shelves and let them dry. And then I will start putting stuff where it. Well, I guess some of those holes bothered me more than I thought. I filled them. Now I'm going to smooth them off and let them dry. And then I can clean the shelves that are supposed to be up there and let them dry and start working on my bottom half, which I may have to wait and get some help with because I don't know if I can reach down there to get the shelves.